In this video, we will demonstrate how we coded voice commands and other elements into our apps using the Ionic Framework.
All right, let's get to some more fun stuff here. I want to show a little bit of code. So in our app component TS file, we actually have a little bit of code here that detects if we're on a RailWare device. We're going to go ahead and inject some WareML engine JavaScript into the document. So RailWare has a GitHub repo where that JavaScript is available. There's also an npm package that you can include in your project to download this code in here. Due to a whole number of reasons, we have the little wrapper around here where we're going to only include this if we're on a RailWare device. So jumping over to one of the HTML pages, what does that JavaScript do for us? It gives us the ability to attach these data WML speech command tags to any sort of HTML tag that is action-based within the application. So if I say, view asset here, that's the speech command that is going to trigger this segment button to fire. So really, we've got that data WML speech command tag sprinkled throughout our app. And you'll notice that we just put it in there regardless. It's not harming anything by having an extra tag on a segment button, even if it's on a regular mobile device or tablet. But what we do here is we put a little extra label at the bottom underneath the icon to say if it's on a RailWare device, then go ahead and show the text beneath the button. And what that's going to do is just simply cue the user as to what to say, and that'll be just a world of help for them. Other things that we were able to do were to create some of our own component tags, and those component tags can then be reused across pages and have their own specific RailWare embedded logic in them. So you can see here we've got the button for moving to the next asset in the header. So we pass the speech command down through the component and into this Ion button. And if we're on a RailWare device, we put the icon as well as the speech command underneath it. Otherwise, we put the icon only. So we've got that type of stuff sprinkled throughout our applications. And then lastly, this is really cool. We took quite a bit of liberty with some of the scroll events. So fantastic API for controlling scroll events in Ionic. So thank you again to the Ionic team for that. But the neat part about it is what we can do is actually add these floating action buttons to the DOM, hide them via CSS, and then tag them with the data WML speech command. And those commands are available to be called, and the methods on those buttons can then fire, right? So even though you don't see those buttons on the screen, you can state the command and those buttons will still fire. So we've got scroll top, scroll bottom, scroll up, scroll down as valid commands across many of our pages. So just a couple interesting little tidbits in looking through the code here. So we're just scratching the surface of what we can accomplish with this technology. We're pushing forward with more Ionic applications, more plugins for native device interaction, and we're continuing to iterate on the user experience on the platform. Again, thank you to the Ionic team and the great community of developers that have paved the way for us.
Thanks for watching this video from A3J Group and the MxMobile suite of apps. For more information, you can go to our website at a3jgroup.com or connect with us on LinkedIn or Twitter. For inquiries, email info@a3jgroup.com or give us a call at 877-235-4774.